Who are you going to be when you're older? A lawyer? A doctor? A banker? Maybe even a filmmaker, but how are you going to get there? This summer, you can choose from 15 careers and meet the very people who were once where you are now. Only they didn't just have a dream, they made it happen. They'll take you through real challenges like learning how to take blood in a hospital, running in a political campaign, or pitching your business to real investors, and open doors to exclusive workplaces like the Supreme Court and a working airfield. When you're not in sessions, you'll live life on campus at a top London university, making friends with students from all around the world and experiencing student life for real. At the end of it, you'll receive a qualification worth UCAS points, plus a reference letter signed by a top professional to boost your application. So, what are you going to do next summer? Keep thinking about your dream or take the next step? Register now at investin.org.